Hello and welcome to Bite. I don't know about you, but I love bechamel sauce and well, chicken is chicken. Although the combination between them is quite weird, it's working, it's tasty and healthy enough since we're not going to fry the meat. This is how I've done it. Eight chicken drums, or any other piece of chicken. 1 liter of milk. 90 grams of butter. Add a pinch of ground nutmeg. 10 grams of white pepper, because if we use black the French are going to go crazy and for good reason. Mostly because it doesn't look good on the plate. Salt to taste and don't be shy with it. 90 grams of flour. As the sauce requires an equal amount of flour and butter for 1 liter of milk, as this turns perfect to also cook the chicken. Let's start with the chicken. Prepare the chicken for a deep clean. A deep clean pretty much means just a longer boil, and for that I'm just going to remove any downs left, without washing the chicken since we might spread bacteria all over the kitchen. Place the chicken in a pot, cover with cold water and bring to a boil. The cold water will come to a boil and will take out any blood left inside. In the same time it will clean the chicken. You will see some dirty foam, but don't worry, we will throw away the water. After the water start boiling, leave it for 5 minutes to cook the chicken a little. After 5 minutes, take the chicken out and set it aside. Get a suitable pot, as we need to make the sauce and later to place the chicken inside for a final cook. So for the sauce, place the butter inside and melt. Add all the flour and mix in at medium temperature with a spatula continuously for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take off from heat. It's very important to remove from heat. Add a quarter of the milk and whisk thoroughly until the sauce comes together and no lumps are present. Now you can add the rest of the milk. You don't actually need to add the milk in more than 2 in stages, just add it all in after the first quarter. Whisk continuously to avoid any lumps. Now it's time to add the seasoning. Add the white pepper. Add the ground nutmeg. Add the salt. Whisk and combine thoroughly. If you actually want to go from bechamel to white sauce, just grate some cheddar cheese and add to the mix. Now it's time to add up the chicken. Place the chicken in the pan and reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer to a low temperature and mix around for a minimum of 15 minutes, or until the sauce has the right texture as seen here. This was our chicken bechamel, just as we enjoy it and we hope you do too. See you on our next video and press the bell notification to never miss any of our recipes, and do leave us a comment on how to improve our videos or anything else. Like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.